time to get out and teach Jerry a lesson.
Ja.
Okay, come on, move it.
I was raised in London.
Okay, give me eyeball. Take that point.
Oh, it's great. Where people walking about, going to their work. You see these two double-decker red buses going around, you know, giving you a lift to your work, and then when you get to your work, man, you pop in and you know, say hello to your mates, and you know, you go to them, oh, I want a tea, you want a tea? 2 sugars, please, yeah. Blah blah blah. You, on top of that, you add, you know, you'll get your crumpets, and we'll have good times. Good times. Yeah, London's great times. You know. What about,
Okay, man.
oh, the crumpet, the English crumpet. Really any type, I would say. I just like crumpets with just ordinary crumpet that I have spread butter over the crumpet and everything. It's very gorgeous.
Rifle squad reporting for duty. Ready for battle.
Oh, I just like I just like the same ordinary tea. So basically, I just like having like sugar in it too, like a couple of sugars. Kind of add, you know, green milk, could say, to it. Well, not green, you know, but you know, just. Oh, it's like different like type of milks, yeah, but they have like colour like wrappers around representing the different like milk. I just call it green milk, but it's the same, you know, milk looks white and everything. It's just I call it green because it has a wrapper and it's a green wrapper around it, and it's nice milk. Add to my tea. I like my Volkswagens. I got a Kettengrad in my drive, and you know I normally go out and you know I just have a Kettengrad, yeah. We me and my homies we you know, cruise in the neighbourhood, but you know Kettengrad, and we like to say, you know we normally have these phrases or these quotes. We go, what's grenadiers ready, comrades, and then people start looking at us and you know, think, well, we're just Germans, right? We'll just pretend Germans, like, in our Kettengrads. Yeah, leave us alone, homies. Yeah, we just, you know, cruise around in the neighbourhood and show these homeboys how we roll. Yeah, well, that's grenadiers already. We risk our lives for the fatherland. That's where we go. Yeah, we're crazy, like Germans, you know. They're very jealous, man. They're just not. They're so jealous that they want to be Volksgrenadiers. They want to own their self a Kettengrad. They want, you know, to cruise like us. Well, we wore a fancy Volksgrenadier uniform with the normal German helmet, with our, you know, great uniform that's made in Germany. I don't think they designed this one for us, and they're so jealous of us, our uniform and our Kettengrad, which is a beauty, and we like cruising around, like I said, we like cruising around in the neighbourhood and, you know, flashing off how we are gangsters, and we're the proper gangsters. We run the neighbourhood.
Roger on the blood lost. Bird on route.
So, we've run into them. I remember going off to went up a bit north. I went to northern England, and we went into this town. It's called Birmingham. Oh, well, actually, more of us like in a city called Birmingham, but we went into a town called Yankee Lane, and then we go into it, and then you know,
Roger on the bombing run. Like, bird on route.
Change your head, comrade. And then we was like driving around, and then all of a sudden this rifleman come out, and there was a swarm of riflemen, and even like paratroopers, and I said, one paratrooper said, we're surrounded. God damn it. We're meant to be surrounded. What the hell? You're meant to be surrounded. We're getting swarmed by bloody riflemen, rangers, paratroopers, stuff.
Casualties being reported.
And it goes one of them goes, God damn, GI. And we're like, whoa, Jesus, get back to our neighborhood. We've had enough. We're going. Well, me and my homie Volta Clinic, the air driver, and he said, well, we gotta get out there. We gotta need snow. We gotta go. And then the Americans swarmed us. And then the British come along, proper British, like proper British lads, and it was like, Oi, Akin. He got his way. Got his 25-pounder out of his fucking. He's launched a pounder out our Kengred. We lost our beauty. We got enough on it. We replaced it. Upgraded Kengred. In fact, we got our own. We got our own. What's it called? What's the vehicle where you? It's an upgrade. You need the expansion, but you need the tails of valor to get it. And we have this. This big little cart thing that generals drive around. I don't know what it's called, but it's a beauty anyway. It's a beauty. I'll say, yeah, it's normal, you know, one of those cars, you know, like a general would be in it, and then one of the passengers that drive it around. It's not, it's like the sort of the Jeep version, but you've got like a roof and everything. It's not, you know, normal. No clue, we just got it last week, I'm not sure about the name, but you know, it's a beauty. We've got the expansion pack to tell us fun. We're happy. Oh my god, it would be like, well, there's one where I was, walking around. We had more. We met with our, more of our brothers. They're upper rank. They're called the Grenadiers, and these guys, there's four of them. There's four of them in the squad. And they're like, it's like, these are the proper guys. They have their own grenades. You know, they even, like, later on, they'll get their own fucking Panzerschreck, and us mod Grenadiers, we have our rifles, and, you know, we have our normal caps and uniform and everything. We look like idiots, and, you know, I'm ashamed. I want to be upper rank, I want to be a Grenadier, and then I want to move up. I want to be a stormtrooper. I want to be... They're going to be stormtroopers soon, and we're going to move up to be Grenadiers. Stormtroopers, and then we move up to Knight's Crosses. Oh my god, the Knight's Cross is beautiful. I have them, they're like dogs, and Knight Crosses. Man, I want to be a Knight Cross when I'm older.
Casualties being reported.
Sorry, what's an M8 car?
Enemy unit down.
Oh. No, that's not Staghound. Is it Greyhound? Yeah, yeah, we bring in the heavy guns for that one. We bring in pack. We bring packs. Oh, my pack boy, oh beauty. It's in my room right now, man. It's pretty big, and like, cannon on this thing is absolutely good.
Our forces are taking casualties.
Bring that one out. That blow freaking blow Greyhound. Smithereens. Well, if we wanna, you know, if we wanna go heavy, we bring in our own. It's in my garage right now. It's called the Stoop. And or you call it Stuck if you upgrade it if you got the doctrines. If you have certain doctrines, you can get Stir, and that is a beauty. And for Stuck, some weird tank, like it's a small tank. It's an actually armored sort of anti-tank, whatever. armor or tank destroyer. And Stoogie. Yeah, that's what we call it, Stoogie. And yeah, that Greyhound doesn't have a chance. And then I remember the driver, he goes, Stoogie. Yes, Stoogie. And then I remember when we have a Panther, or Panther, the driver on that as well. Like, drive for the fatherland. It's that some crazy man. He's proper SS and everything. He said you don't want to mess with him. He's proper SS and he's really patriotic to the Nazis and everything. And he wants, you know, if you say something bad to him, he'll place a bullet. Like he'll place a bullet through your head. And you know, be careful from him. Well, so what? So how's California? How is America for you, Elijah? Oh God! Oh. Steady, see. Mm-hmm.